Canada. I moved here in 1980, and it was 20 years old. I had family here. It was a different place. I don't get it. We're trying to do something about it. I'm trying to actually get the safety thing. You take care.
Have a good one.
And merch available at the storehouse. All proceeds will benefit the storehouse of New Mexico. I also want to thank the car enthusiasts for being out here and bringing their vehicles out on a sunny day so that we can raise funds for the storehouse. Thank you all.
Walked out there in the garage.
To support the storehouse, make sure you visit the storehouse booth. We have raffle prizes, we have merch available, and all proceeds will benefit the storehouse of New Mexico. Thank you to the car enthusiasts who came out to show off their vehicles and support us in raising funds for the storehouse.
I grew up in the middle of the state, not the Lansing.
Welcome to Hot Rods for Hunger. Thank you everybody for coming out to support the storehouse of New Mexico. Especially thanks to all our
Freiburger and Finnegan had a bar or something. On that 1 year they had like it was either a bar or a garden. Yeah, we're not like